Okay, so this is our caseless project. Concept behind it is to use standard off-the-shelf AR-15 M16 projectiles, standard ball powder, standard primer. The magazine contains all three components individually. It's inserted into the bottom of the firearm. The magazine arrives as a sealed unit. It's designed to be single use. It can be reloaded, but only on the armorer's level, not by a field infantryman. Once the magazine is inserted into the firearm, the seal is broken and the components are available for use. The first round is manually charged and the projectiles are assembled just in time. Subsequent rounds are gas operated. Subsequent firings are gas operated, and the standard capacity that we're considering right now is 60 rounds in the magazine. For the standard loadout of 210 rounds, equivalent weight, you can have over 400 rounds of caseless ammunition using standard off-the-shelf, easily sourced components, no proprietary powder or anything like that. We see this as a great logistics solution, and that's what I have to say about it.